One of the things about maths that is often confused is time, because time isn't decimal. We owe time to the ancient Babylonians. There were attempts in the French Revolution to make time decimal like everything else, but interestingly, it never ever held. So we still have 60 seconds in a minute and 60 minutes in an hour. As the ancient Babylonians had it, is also why we have 6 times 60 days in a year. The Babylonians knew that there was more than 360 days in a year. It's just, and they had the other days as saints' days, I think, God's days. And they liked the idea of 6 times 60. So that's why it works. And we saw yesterday, it just creates frisson. You can do it on the calculator using a button, but as the button on my calculator no longer works, I can't show you. You can also do it using the fraction key, which does work perfectly well. But by and large, it doesn't really present that much of a problem. Look, that would be 10. So remember, you put down 4 and you carry 1, because you're taking away 6 from it. 5, 6 and 1. Just to show you what happened there. When you added 5 plus 4 plus 1, you got 10. 10 minus 6 is 4, and I carried the 1 for the hour. It isn't a mystery. You've just got to be aware. The biggest problem that you're ever going to have is in the speed, distance, time thingy. Because it's perfectly possible to have 30 kilometers at a speed of 4 kmh. How long does it take you? Hours and minutes. And that one, do you remember how to do it? If you cross out the t, you'll see that time is distance over speed. So time would be 30 divided by 4, which is 7 and 2 fourths, which of course is 7.5. Now that's easy because you will immediately know 7 and 30, okay? Because it's 7 hours, 30 minutes. Your problem is if you've got a calculation and it gives you something like 2/5, standardly, what do? You times it by 60. And then if you times it by 60, that will immediately convert it back into minutes. I, of course, have rigged that so it's nice and easy. By and large, in GCSE, they will be easy. This sort of exam. If you get a stinker, if you get 3/7, then what do? Well, when you finish panicking, you probably go for your calculator and